Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Lexus RX450 Hybrid Maintenance Light Reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and go ahead and press back, and click left or right to go find your page, which is here in the setting. Now when you get here, go ahead and scroll to vehicle setting, enter on it. Actually, you know what, sorry, apologize. Scroll down to, actually, yes, vehicle setting. Oh, there you go. Now go ahead and scroll down to oil maintenance, enter on it, to yes, enter on yes. And you're gonna have to also reset the schedule maintenance, so go ahead and scroll to that and enter on it. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.